Hello and welcome to this preview of Windows 10. You heard right, Microsoft decided to skip the 9 and go straight to 10. The company says the new name is appropriate as they are looking ahead to their new product line. However, there's a lot of speculation out there that it is due to Windows 8's radical redesign backlash. So what's new in Windows 10? Let's take a look. Microsoft says that Windows 10 will run on all kinds of devices, from the usual desktops and laptops to smartphones and tablets, as well as other devices. If you're using a desktop, you will find that Microsoft has done away with the Windows 8 Metro tiles and has brought back the more familiar Windows user interface consumers know. Windows 10 is designed to immediately recognize if you're using a desktop or laptop, and if that's the case, it will provide you with a full pre-Windows 8 style desktop interface, complete with the Start menu and taskbar. If you're using a tablet or other touchscreen device, it will instantly provide you with a Metro tile interface introduced in Windows 8. And this is all done automatically. No need to do anything on your part. Speaking of the Start menu, this feature is back. Absent in Windows 8, Microsoft decided to bring it back in Windows 10, and we're not talking about the odd-looking menu from Windows 8.1. The real deal, full-featured Start menu is back. It might also be the only place you will find the remnants of the Metro tiles if you're using a desktop, or anything with a keyboard and mouse, as Microsoft decided to sneak in a few of them by default with the Start menu when you access it. However, if you want to completely wipe the Windows 8 Metro tile experience from your mind, Microsoft is giving you the option to remove them from the Start menu as well. All you have to do is right-click on a tile and click the Unpin from Start option, and all you'll be left with is the good old-fashioned Start menu from the days before Windows 8. A truly new feature to Windows is the option to have multiple desktops open. This feature has been around in Linux desktops for years, and Microsoft had decided to include it in Windows 10. It's kind of a way to keep all your apps organized if you've got several of them opened at once. It can be accessed by clicking on the Task View button located in the taskbar. The pop-up menu will allow you to see your open desktops and their contents and to switch between them. You can also use the menu to open additional desktops or close some of the ones you have open. Remember those so-called modern apps introduced in Windows 8? The ones you couldn't figure out how to close? Well, Microsoft has decided to run them on the Windows 10 desktop in regular style windows, which means you will now have minimize, maximize, and close buttons along the top right-hand corner of the app, which will allow you to close them and manipulate them as you would any other open window. Just like the return of the Start menu, the search option in Windows is back where it was pre-Windows 8. You can now make all your searches like you used to right from the Start menu. However, now your searches won't just include Windows search results. They will also include results from the web, most likely powered by Microsoft's Bing engine. There is still no official release date for Windows 10, and its pricing has not been discussed by Microsoft, although the company did say it will launch later in the year in 2015. Which sounds like it will be released anytime after April of next year. Till then, one thing is for sure, and that is that changes and improvements will continue to be made to polish the new Windows for its release next year. I for one am happy to have the Start menu back. It's also nice to have the familiar user interface back as well. I think these changes, along with some of the new features we saw, will go a long way to make Windows 10 more accepted by users. We'll find out for sure next year. Hope you all enjoy the tour. Thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to sign up for more videos. See you guys next time.